6, in which we completed the two equations, the two kinematic equations of motion under constant or uniform acceleration. And the completed equations by graphical method, one is v equal to u plus at, and another is s equal to ut plus half at square. Later this x we also wrote it as x minus x naught equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. So actually s is the distance travelled by the body, and here x naught is the initial position of the body, x is the final position of the body, and the distance travelled is final minus initial position. Distance travelled is final minus initial position. That is what s equal to x minus x naught. So therefore the above equation s equal to ut plus half at square becomes x minus x naught equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Or this can also be x equal to x naught plus ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Like that also we can able to write it. Is it clear what we finished in the last class up to that? Now one more equation by graphically method, and the equation is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So therefore actually the equation we are going to writing third equation. Velocity acquired by a body in travelling a distance s. Velocity of a body in a distance or displacement, in a distance yes, in a distance x. Actually the velocity acquired by a body in travelling a distance yes. In the heading we wrote it velocity of a body in a distance yes. That is what if you want, sometimes they also write it deduce v square equal to u square plus 2as by graphical method. By which method? By graphical method. This type also they will ask. So for that purpose, once again you have to go for the same graph, that is velocity against time. Velocity is along y-axis, time is along x-axis. And here is the curve AB is obtained. And this body or this curve AB, it will be shows that the body is moving with initial velocity and having a uniform acceleration. If the curve is linear, then uniform acceleration. So therefore starts from initial speed, initial velocity and moving with a uniform acceleration. So therefore here this O to A is initial velocity. Then here up to this position, this one is the final velocity, and this final velocity here I represented d to b is the final velocity. Is it clear? Now this is final velocity, this one is initial velocity, then remaining is change in velocity. Now we have to find out here once again area under the curve AB. This area under the curve AB, and this area under the curve is ABDO. This is what the area under the curve. When the area under the curve, it will be used the total distance travelled by the body. That is what already I gave you, one of the significant of velocity time graph. So therefore here we have to write it area under the curve AB traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body. This is represented by S. So here now, therefore, S equal to area under the curve. Area under the curve AB. So now here S equal to, as was known already in the last class, I showed how to find out the area under the curve. So look here, better to see here is the area of OABD. OABD, this is what the area. Now better to see carefully here, as you was learned in the, either it may be in the 9th standard or it may be in the 8th standard. So here is the area, just I will show you. I will draw like this. Better to observe how I am going to tracing this line. I am not trace multi ನೋಡಿ. And this is what the area under this, and this is actually appears as a trapezia, as you was learned in geometry, maybe 9th or 10th standard. This OABD is the trapezia. ಅದೇನದು trapezia. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ this is what actually area of trapezia. Area of trapezia. And as it was known already, area of trapezia is 1/2 into heights of these two trapezium heights. What you have the height is, one is O to A, OA. Another is D to B plus B to B into the distance between those two parallel heights, and that is what you have OD. That is what the area of a trapezia, which you know already, which was learned in the high school, maybe 10th or 9th standard, or in both the classes. Now, as it was known already in last class, I wrote it. Now also here I showed it. 1/2 OA. What you have here? OA. OA is nothing but initial speed U. So this is what OA is U plus DB. This DB. DB is V we have here. DB is V into OD. OD is this one. O to D. That is what the time taken. This is T. This is what S we know. By cross multiplication here, 2S equal to U plus V. As it was known already, V equal to U plus AT. V equal to what we have? U plus AT. Or V minus U equal to AT. Therefore, V minus U divided by A equal to T. Because of here our equation is velocity of a body in distance S, not in a time T. इसमें distance होना उसमें equation में, not the time. Time factor बेड़ा हम distance factor बेको. अदर distance factor बेके को अंतरा ये U plus V आई थी तो U plus V. And time, what you got it here? Time is V minus U by A equal to T. As you are known first equation, then by adjustment of this one, by taking LHS to RHS and cross multiplication, T equal to what we got it? V minus U by A. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ T ಇಂದಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು V minus U by T. Now again this is 2, yes, sorry, V minus U by A. Here V minus U by A. See here, T equal to V minus U by A. A. So therefore here this A is again by cross multiplying to A, here A equal to, in place of V plus U plus V, I will write it V plus U, and this is V minus U. As you was known, A plus B into A minus B. That is the simple formula you was learned in previous classes. 2AS, LHS what we have here? LHS is 2AS equal to, what is the RHS? V plus U into V minus U. That means A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So therefore this is V square minus U square. So now if you want V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Therefore V square, this is minus, take it towards RHS. It becomes plus U square plus 2AS. So this is your required equation. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. If you want, yes, as it was known already here. S equal to x minus x naught. So therefore this equation, if you want, V square equal to U square plus 2A into x minus x naught. Like this also. In your book they may wrote it V square equal to V naught square plus 2A into x minus x naught. अनु बर्दिद्दिर्ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ इसमें मेंशन किए V u equal to V naught बोल के जीव इधर V naught ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೆಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೆಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೂ V naught ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ V naught is initial velocity. This is the third equation what you got it by graphical method. One is V equal to U plus AT, second one is S equal to UT plus half AT square, and third one is V square equal to U square plus 2AS. For these three equations, only the graph is velocity against time. ಆ ಮೂರು equation ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು. And in this velocity time graph, the curve AB, which shows the body is moving with initial speed or initial velocity. Is it clear? These are the few equations which are very very useful in case of a equations of motion along a straight line, and the acceleration of the body is kept constant. Is it right? And better to note it. These three equations are useful in all the topics where you are going to learning the motion of a body along a straight line. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ motion of a body along a straight line ಬರ್ತದ ಈ ಮೂರು equations ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವ. ಈ तीनों equations ಯೂಸ್ होते 1 2 and 3 equations compulsory ಯೂಸ್ होते. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ these three equations are very very important. Is it clear? For your syllabus you have the three derivations in this topic, and better to note it here. There are two more equations in this, but actually there is no derivation for them. There are equations now. अभी दो equations आते हैं इसमें. Actually 5 equations हैं, but वो दो equations का इधर derivation नहीं है. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು equation V equal to U plus AT ಅದ. ಎರಡನೇ equation S equal to UT plus half AT square ಅಂತದ. ಮೂರನೇ equation V square equal to, third equation V square equal to U square plus 2AS. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನ ಎರಡು equations ಅದಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು equation ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one equation is distance traveled by the body in nth, better to listen here carefully, in nth second of its motion, in nth second of its motion, distance traveled in nth second of its motion. Nth second of its motion, here I will go for the equation. Yes, nth equal to u plus 1 by 2 into a into 2n minus 1. That means here a by 2 into 2n minus 1. ಅದು equation 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. Distance traveled in nth second of its motion. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ग्राफ का necessary नहीं है. इधर बताऊंगा मैं, I will show you how we will get. This is the distance traveled in a time t. ಏನಿದು distance traveled in a time t. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕೀಗ distance traveled by the body in the nth second of its motion. And look here. Say here is the origin. The body will be covers a distance from O to A, and this distance traveled by the body in a time interval of n seconds, not nth. This nth ala idu n second. This second ali n second. For example, 20 seconds anta equal to. For example, how many seconds? 20 seconds. Equal. Now here is the distance traveled in n second. I will write it as Sn. Distance traveled in n seconds is Sn. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ t ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ n ಬಂತು. In place of t क्या आता है इधर n आ जाता है. In place of t ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. Therefore distance traveled in n seconds. Distance traveled, shortcut ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, in n seconds equal to Sn equal to ut plus half it square. U is keep it as it is. T is n plus 1 by 2 a into d. T is nothing but n square. This is what the distance traveled by the body in n seconds. Now next we will go just to 1 second behind. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು 1 second ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ equal. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಈಗ? ಅದು n second ಇದ್ರ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್ n seconds. Total how many seconds that is? n seconds. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? 1 second minus ಮಾಡಿ. 1 second minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿದು? n minus 1 second ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿದು? n minus 1 second ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದು n minus 1 second ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. This distance is the distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 second. ಅದೇನಿದು? Distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 second. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Distance traveled in n minus 1 second. This is Sn minus 1 equal to u into n idali n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a idali a n idali n minus 1 whole square. This is the second equation. Now we want distance traveled by the body in nth second. Distance traveled by the body in nth second and the last second. This is the body traveled the distance in the last second. Last second is nth second. For example, 20ನೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 20th ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ nth ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು nth ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 11th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ 11th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ 11ನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ nth ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು distance traveled by the body in nth second equal to distance traveled by the body in n seconds. ಏನದು distance traveled by the body in n seconds minus distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 second. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n minus 1 second. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ distance traveled by the body in the nth second. Okay. Distance traveled by the body in nth second. ಇದು nth second. So adakka listen here carefully. The distance traveled by the body in the nth second is equal to the distance traveled by the body in n seconds minus distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 second. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದಷ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಏನು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅದ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕರೆ ಇದೆ ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಯು ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 a n square ರೈಟಾ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಯು ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 a ಇಂಟು n minus 1 whole square. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದಷ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ nth ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದು ಯು ಎನ್ ಇದು ಯು ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 a n ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 2 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಓಪನ್ u into n u into 1 minus u ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 ಇದು a ಇದು n minus 1 whole square ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ a minus b whole square a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕ n square plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2ab is it clear ಮೊದಲು ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ un plus 1/2 an square minus un minus u plus 1/2 ಇದು a ಅದ ಇದು n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 an ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ an ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 a into 1/2 a ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1/2 a into 2n into 1 2n into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2n ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು now once again here this last step un and keep it as it is 1/2 an square ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ un ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ u ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1/2 an square ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1/2a ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು an ಉಳಿತು ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ better to check it carefully how whether you have opened the bracket and multiplied sign correctly or not. Basic mathematics you know it. So here this is plus un idu minus un you have to cancel. Here plus 1/2am square. Here minus 1/2am square. So this is also cancelled. With area ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2am square minus 1/2am square it cancel. Now what the left here ಇದು u ಒಂದು minus 1/2a ಉಳಿದು plus a ಅನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕ c ಅಲ್ಲಿ s n equal to u plus sign ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಮೊದಲು ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ minus 1/2a is it clear now look here yes n ಇದು basic mathematics you keep it as it is plus into here a common into n minus 1/2. This is again if you want one more step. The answer, this itself is your answer. But delete a/2 to n minus 1. For that purpose here one more step I will write it. u plus a into 2 is the LCM. 2n minus 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೀಗ yes n equal to u plus ಇದು a/2 ಇದು 2n minus ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ this is what the distance traveled by the body in the nth second of its motion ಅದು distance traveled by the body in the nth second of its motion this is the other equation ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ derivation ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ n ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ n minus 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಶೋನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ fourth equation this is what your fourth equation ಇದು fourth equation 1 2 3 4 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು equation one more equation ಇದೆ acceleration of a body in traveling a distance in two consecutive equal intervals of time and that equation is equal to s2 minus s1 divided by t square acceleration of a body in traveling a distance in two consecutive equal intervals of time ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು equation ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ that also I will show you how we will get it. For that purpose, we need this equation again. Equation ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಂತ distance, sorry, acceleration of a body in traveling, the acceleration of body in traveling two consecutive intervals, two equal intervals of time. So here is the body A, then B, then C. A to B is the distance S1, B to C is the distance S2. In two equal intervals of time, T1 equal T, T1 equal to T, and here T2 equal to also T. T1 equal to T and T2 is also equal to T. But here to here, what is the time taken? That is 2T. Time is 2T because of 2T plus T. Distance actually S1 plus S2. Distance here to here is S1 plus S2. Like this. Now as you was known already, ut plus half at square. This equation. This equation. This is the use. So that equation here, S equal to ut plus half at square. We want here in place of S, S1. So here S1 equal to u is the initial velocity. U is the initial velocity. What is the time taken? Ut. T is nothing but time taken. T is again as it is. Plus 1 by 2. Acceleration is constant uniform. A. Again time. 1 by 2 is square. Here is also time T is T square as it is. ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ equation ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ distance traveled by the body from A to B, the distance traveled is S1 in time T. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ equation. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ distance traveled by the body from A to C. From A to C, the distance traveled is how much? S1 plus S2 here, S1 plus S2 equal to this S is nothing but what we have here, S1 plus S2. S is the S1 plus S2. Initial velocity is same and acceleration is constant, only time is changing. U, if it as it is, U into T, time taken here, S1 plus S2. What is the total time taken? 2T plus 1 by 2A as it is. Uniform acceleration starts from initial velocity. Idukku starts from initial velocity. Idukku start from initial velocity. Adike enaithe T idalliga 2T whole square. Then better to simplify this equation. Idannu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ simplify ಮಾಡಿ 2ut plus 1 by 2a into 4t square. 2t whole square means 4t square. Now therefore here we want distance traveled in two consecutive equal intervals of time, and the acceleration is a in terms of distance traveled in two consecutive equal intervals of time. For that purpose here we have the two equations. One is S1 plus S2 equal to 2ut plus 1 by 2 cancel ಮಾಡಿ 2at square ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಬಂತಲ್ಲಿ 2at square. ಇದು ಒಂದು equation. ಇದು second equation, first equation. ಈಗ ಇದು equation, these two equations we have to use it so that in this equation better to see a equal to s2 minus s1 by t square. S other t other a ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ पर्पस क्या करना है इधर u का वैल्यू चेंज करना है, इधर u का वैल्यू रिप्लेस करना, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मैथमेटिकल रूल्स. So therefore here we have two equations. They are simultaneous equations. By solving these two simultaneous equations, we can able to cancel u in both the equations. For that purpose, look here, equation 2 minus equation 1 into 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದಿಲೋ equation 2 means s1 plus s2 minus equation 1 into 2, what you have equation 1 is s1 into 2s1 equal to, look here, s1 plus s2 equal to, what you have s1 plus s2 here, 2u plus 2a t square minus 2s1, what you have s1 here, ut plus 1 by 2a t square. Is it right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ ನಂತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇನಲ್ಲ ಇದು s1 plus s2 minus 2s1, this s2 keep it as it is, minus ಇದು minus 2s1 ಅದು plus s1, plus s1 minus 2s1, minus is greater, so therefore here minus 2s1 minus s1 means 1s1, this is 1s1 equal to, here 2u t will be there, t right, 2u only alla, 2u t right, 2ut, keep it as it is here, 2ut plus 2at square, 2at square minus into plus minus 2 into ut minus 2ut minus into plus minus 2 into 1 by 2 at square means at square, according to cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So now this s2 minus s1 equal to 2ut plus 2ut minus both will be cancelled. See, u is cancelled according to the mathematical rules, not only directly cancel ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, according to mathematical rules we cancel. Here 2at square minus at square, at square common, ಇದು 2 minus 1 ಬರ್ತದ, 2 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 1, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2at square minus at square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು at square. Final equation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, s2 minus s1 equal to at square. By cross multiplication, keep it as it is here, s2 minus s1 divided by what, t square. This is your equation. Means a equal to s2 minus s1 divided by t square. Do it. This is 50. In the totally 5 equations will be there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ kinetic equations of a body moving with a uniform acceleration, and the 5 equations are v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Later sn equal to u plus a1 into n minus 1, and a equal to s2 minus s1 by t square. For your syllabus, by graphical method, you have to go for only these 3 equations deviation. But you have to remember these 3 equations also you have to remember. Formula you have to remember. Formula yaad rakhne ka. Formula yaad rakhna usme. Objective type questions they will ask. Formula compulsory ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 5 formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, by graphical method ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. There is also one more method to find these 3 equations, v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So 3 equations ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. But actually in mathematics you was not learned about the calculus. Calculus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ v ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು u ಪ್ಲಸ್ a ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. S equal to ut plus half a d square ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and v square equal to u square plus 2as ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಈ 3 ಡೆವಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? Then next we will go over calculus method. That we will continue in the next class. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು? obtain equations of motion, dynamic equations of motion, body moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration by calculus method. That I will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.